Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you can see a fully automatic multi-head weigher and bagger machine packing Namkeen into pouches with high speed and excellent accuracy. The process starts when the Namkeen is fed into the multi-head weigher. Multiple weighing buckets work simultaneously to calculate the exact weight required for each pouch. This intelligent system ensures minimum product giveaway and maximum accuracy in every pack. Once the correct weight is selected, the Namkeen is discharged into the automatic bagger machine. The machine forms the pouch from packaging film, fills it with a weighed product, seals it perfectly, and prepares it for dispatch. One of the biggest advantages of this machine is its high production capacity. It can pack hundreds of pouches per minute while maintaining consistent weight and sealing quality. This reduces labor costs, increases productivity, and improves overall packaging efficiency. The machine is suitable for packing various snack products such as Namkeen, potato chips, fryums, peanuts, mixtures, and other food items. Its user-friendly controls and hygienic stainless steel construction make it ideal for modern food processing industries. With accurate weighing, attractive packaging, and faster production, businesses can improve product quality, reduce wastage, and increase profitability. If you're planning to start or expand your Namkeen manufacturing business, a multi-head weigher and bagger machine can be a valuable investment. For more information about food processing and packaging machines, follow our page and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Thank you for watching.